Local governments in Metro Manila are taking immediate action to contain the spread of COVID-19. And we now speak to Marikina Mayor Marcy Teodoro. He is on the line right now. Good morning, Mayor.
Good morning, Ria. Good morning to everybody.
Thank you for being here, sir. What is the situation in hospitals and isolation facilities in Marikina? What is the percentage of COVID beds that are now occupied?
We are operating at a full capacity in terms of hospital bed capacity. We're experiencing problem of referring patients now in the hospitals located within the city. So we need to find hospitals outside of the city. So this is now the challenge really for the national government or for the Department of Health to make one hospital command more functional at this point in time. There's a need to further increase the capacity of the national healthcare system, meaning we also need to increase the manpower, the equipment, as well as the bed capacity to deal primarily with the current outbreaks that we are experiencing. Ria, what we're really doing here at the local level is we're undertaking a more effective epidemic surveillance, meaning we need to scale up our efforts in contact tracing. We need more isolation facility. I think not just in the National Capital Region, but also strategically in regions around the country. Similarly, we're increasing our testing to cope with the surge that we are having now.
All right, sir. So you want to increase your surveillance, you want to increase your testing, your contact tracing. Is that something you're able to do in the immediate term?
We need to do it at the immediate term, Ria, but what we're explaining to the national government from the side of the LGU is that we should do it more systematically, and there should be complementation of resources from the national and the local. We need to be more efficient in putting up more measures like contact tracing, testing, to improve our ability or effectiveness to do epidemic surveillance. I think this is very important not in preventing and detecting new cases in order to immediately isolate and contain cases. Similarly, we're soliciting the help, the assistance of the private sector. We believe the government cannot do it alone. We need primarily the cooperation of the private sector.
Mayor, the new restrictions were announced by Presidential Spokesperson Harry Roque yesterday. How will these new restrictions, including the 4 provinces around the metro, affect mobility in Marikina?
In terms of mobility, we will be allowing, of course, essential travel, if it is work-related, if it is there's emergency in nature. Our border with Rizal has been open now. Residents of Rizal can travel easily in Marikina. Similarly, residents of Marikina can go into Rizal. Of course, the restriction primarily will be imposed on those minors with immunodeficiency, comorbidity, and other health risks, as well as pregnant women. They will not be allowed to go out of their residences for the next 2 weeks. Of course, those individuals who are working will be allowed, and individuals will also be allowed to access to essential services.
All right. Thank you for your time this morning. We appreciate it. Marikina Mayor Marcy Teodoro. Okay,